30 years ago, a fleet manager tracked his trucks with a clipboard and a wall map. He'd wait for drivers to call from payphones. Updates were late. Mistakes were common. If a truck broke down in the middle of nowhere, you didn't know until hours, sometimes days, later. Fast forward to today. Every truck is a data center on wheels. GPS pings, dash cams stream, engine health is monitored in real time, routes are optimized by AI. And the person in the back office? They're watching it all happen live. This is what a modern fleet looks like. And today on Daily Logistics, we're pulling you inside to see how technology has completely transformed the way trucking fleets operate. From dispatch desks to the driver's seat, everything's changed. Let's rewind for a second. Fleet management used to mean three things: keep trucks moving, keep drivers happy, try not to lose money. Everything was reactive. If a truck was late, you made calls. If fuel costs rose, you hoped for a better month. If a driver quit, you scrambled. There was no visibility, no predictive maintenance, no real-time routing, just phone calls, paperwork, and gut instinct. It was the way things worked, until tech broke it open. The first big shift came with GPS tracking. Instead of asking, "Where's the truck?" fleet managers could now see it, live, on a screen. That meant real-time updates for customers. Fewer check-in calls, faster recovery during breakdowns, proof of delivery, not just trust. GPS turned trucks from mysterious dots on a map into visible assets. And once that door opened, tech didn't stop there. Today's trucks do more than drive. They communicate. Engine diagnostics, tire pressure, brake health, fuel efficiency, it's all fed into telematics systems that send data back to HQ constantly. Fleet managers now know which truck is idling too long, which driver brakes too hard, which vehicle needs service before it breaks down. This isn't about watching drivers. It's about protecting equipment, reducing fuel burn, and keeping freight moving. Because every breakdown avoided, that's thousands saved, and a customer kept. Let's talk safety. Modern fleets are installing forward-facing and driver-facing dash cams, not to invade privacy, but to protect everyone involved. In an accident, that footage could prove your driver wasn't at fault. Driver fatigue? Cameras now detect eye movement and can warn them before they drift off. And beyond that, it's about training. Managers can review footage with drivers, show real examples, and build safer driving habits. Safety isn't just compliance anymore, it's a tech-driven investment. Modern dispatchers don't just book loads and make calls, they work inside live systems. The TMS, Transportation Management System, ties together load tracking, driver availability, route planning, fuel efficiency, traffic conditions, and customer updates. Instead of juggling spreadsheets and sticky notes, dispatchers now run workflows built for speed. They can assign loads based on current truck location, predict rest breaks with HOS data, communicate via integrated driver apps, update brokers automatically when delays happen. It's not about control, it's about clarity, at scale. Let's hear from you. If you work with or inside a modern fleet, what tech changed your job the most? Was it live GPS, driver apps, dash cams, or just getting off paper and onto a screen? Tell us in the comments. And if this video's showing you a new side of fleet life, subscribe. This is Daily Logistics and we're just getting warmed up. Ask any fleet owner where the money goes. They'll say fuel and repairs. Modern fleets now use software to predict both. Fuel cards track every gallon, not just to control costs, but to spot trends. If one truck's burning more diesel than others, you'll know. Same with breakdowns. Diagnostic systems alert you when a truck's transmission is slipping before it fails on the road. Fleet managers schedule repairs during low-demand windows instead of rushing emergency tows at peak hours. Predictive maintenance turns panic into planning, and that turns losses into margin. Technology didn't just upgrade the office. It changed life for the drivers, too. In the past, drivers had to fill out paper logs, call in for directions, write down fuel receipts, fax bowls from truck stops. Now, they use apps that track HOS automatically, suggest routes based on traffic, snap and upload documents, handle check-ins, scale tickets, and even chat with dispatch. Drivers get paid faster, dispatchers get cleaner data, and everyone stays on the same page, with less stress. Here's the truth. You don't need 100 trucks to benefit from tech. In 2025, even one-truck owner-operators can use fleet tools that were enterprise-only 5 years ago. Apps like Keep Truckin', Samsara, FleetOps, they've lowered the barrier. You can run a smarter, safer, more efficient fleet without a tech department. The key? Start with visibility. Know where your trucks are, how they're performing, and what your drivers need. Then build from there. Because tech isn't replacing people, it's giving them better tools to win. The modern trucking fleet isn't built on steel alone. It's built on data, systems, and software, layered over experience and grit. It's not about watching trucks. It's about knowing them. Every mile, every gallon, every delay, in real time. From the dispatcher's screen to the driver's dash, today's fleet runs smarter, not just harder. And the ones that embrace that, they don't just survive, they scale. This is Daily Logistics, and if this opened your eyes to the tech behind the wheel, hit like, drop your favorite fleet tool in the comments, and subscribe to stay ahead in the world of freight. Stay connected, stay updated, and keep it daily.